Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to Words Classes. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that will significantly impact your daily life: how to elevate your conversational skills. Whether you're looking to improve your social interactions, enhance your professional networking, or simply become a more engaging conversationalist, this video is for you. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Alright, let's embark on this journey to becoming a stellar conversationalist. Section 1, Active Listening. Our first stop on this conversational adventure is active listening. Effective communication starts with truly hearing what others have to say. Practice active listening by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and asking follow-up questions to show your genuine interest. Section 2, Ask open-ended questions. To keep the conversation flowing, ask open-ended questions. These encourage others to share more about themselves and their thoughts. Instead of asking, "Did you have a good weekend?" try, "What exciting things did you do over the weekend?" Section 3, Be mindful of body language. Nonverbal cues play a crucial role in communication. Maintain an open and approachable posture, use friendly gestures, and avoid crossing your arms. Your body language should convey your interest and receptiveness. Section 4, Know your audience. Tailoring your conversation to your audience is vital. Whether you're talking to a colleague, a friend, or someone you've just met, understanding their interests and preferences will help you connect on a deeper level. Section 5, Expand your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary allows you to express yourself more precisely. Make an effort to learn new words regularly, read books, and explore various sources to expand your language skills. Section 6, Storytelling skills. Storytelling is a powerful tool in engaging conversations. Craft compelling narratives, use descriptive language, and add a dash of humor when appropriate. Sharing personal experiences can make your conversations memorable. Section 7, Manage awkward moments. Awkward moments are bound to happen. Instead of panicking, use humor to diffuse tension or gracefully change the topic. Remember, it's all part of the conversational journey. Section 8, Practice, Practice, Practice. Becoming a better conversationalist is like honing any skill; it requires practice. Seek out opportunities to converse with different people, attend social events, and engage in conversations regularly. Section 9, Self-reflection. Take time to reflect on your conversations. What went well? What could you improve? Self-awareness is a key element of continuous growth. Section 10, Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from friends or mentors. Constructive criticism can be invaluable in pinpointing areas for improvement. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to elevating your conversational skills. Remember, it's not about being the loudest voice in the room but the most engaging one. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also on their journey to becoming exceptional conversationalists. As always, if you haven't already, subscribe to Works Classes and turn on those notifications. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, keep those conversations meaningful and memorable. See you soon.